Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use dual apps on Android, and here's how it is done. This video explains how to create dual apps on your Android phone, allowing you to use two accounts for apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and TikTok. Here's a summary of the two methods shared. First method, using system settings without third-party apps. Open Settings. Go to your phone settings. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. The name may vary depending on your phone. Find Dual Apps option. If Dual Apps isn't listed, go back to the main settings screen. Use the search bar to type Dual App and select it from the results. Select Apps to clone. Once in the Dual Apps menu, you'll see a list of apps that support cloning. Tap on the apps you want to create dual versions. Example, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok. Enable Dual App. Tap on the app you wish to duplicate, and it will be cloned for you to use a second account. Second method, using a third-party app, Parallel Space. Download Parallel Space. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Parallel Space, and install the app. Set up Parallel Space. Open the app and follow the prompts, agreeing to terms and granting necessary permissions. Tap on Start to begin. Clone apps in Parallel Space. After setting up, you'll see some recommended apps to clone. Click Add to Parallel Space to duplicate them. You can also tap Add App to clone other apps on your phone. Manage Dual Apps. All clone apps will appear in the Parallel Space app, where you can open and manage them. By using these two methods, you can easily run multiple accounts on the same app without needing to switch between them manually. And that is everything you need to know about how to use dual apps on Android. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.